Hey guys, what's up? That hurt. Okay, so what's up, guys? Yeah, guess what? I was the door. Wait, wearing it backwards. I'm too much of a phone. There we go. And now I'm Willy Wonka. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this. Okay. So, what's up? You know, I don't get the point of serial killers. Okay? Like, what is the real point? Like, you know, like. I'm gonna kill you in the mouth. There's just no point to it. It's funny because it's a buttermilk. Okay. So anyway, I want to talk to you guys about the pervertness of O. Henry bars. So the point is, okay, what this 5-year-old eating a piece of O. Henry bar? Just think about it. O. Henry. You know, I'm actually starting a petition. My dog just walked by. Sorry. Like, I'm starting a petition to ban it. But, you know, I don't want to ban it for its nutty goodness. Okay, guys, so, peace out. Dog. No. Okay, see you guys.